Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Felix Realistic Dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Felix Realistic Dildo itself. As you can see, it's a really impressive sized dildo and it's not recommended for beginners. It features a realistic ballsack at the base just here with a veiny shaft here, and it's also very textured for extra stimulation during use and features a rounded head at the top just there. It's suitable for both vaginal and anal stimulation, and it's also suitable for a strap-on harness as well. It's made of a soft, smooth material, and it's also firm yet flexible as well. It features a strong suction cup at the bottom, so you can place this on any flat, smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation. When using the Felix dildo, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Real Fantasy Felix Realistic Dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.